Are you looking to start a dropshipping business with no money? You are in the right place. It's Rolland Peter from Power to Scale, where we help you with actionable strategies to build, grow, and scale your business. If you want to learn all things relating to dropshipping, start now by subscribing to this channel. Click the bell so that you don't miss anything. Like we all know, dropshipping is selling products on your online store without investing money upfront to buy the product. It's only after you get a sale that you will then order the product from the supplier who will send the product to your customer directly. So you are not involved in picking, packing, and shipping of products. This means that your supply chain is fully outsourced. The first step is to find a proven product to sell. I'm going to be using proven and winning interchangeably. They are the same words. The reason that you want to start with a winning product out of the gate is to increase your chances of success. You've got to sell what is already selling. So what's a proven product? A proven product is a product that's already proven to be selling very well on Facebook. The criteria to use is that the product should have at least 500,000 views, thousands of likes and shares with more than 500 comments. Also, the product should not be more than 30 days old from the time the ad was launched on Facebook. The best way to find a winning product is to use the Facebook newsfeed and AliExpress. So let's share my screen. To find a proven product on Facebook newsfeed, you have two options. The first option is through watch. I have a list of keywords here. There'll be a PDF in the description where I have listed all the keywords in. You can download that PDF using the link in the description. So what you want to do is we will copy one of these keywords that dropshippers normally use to advertise their product. We copy and paste it in the search on the watch section of Facebook. So off the bat, it has pulled out a lot of products that is being advertised by other dropshippers on Facebook. So you sort these and make sure that they meet the criteria that we have initially outlined for finding winning products. The second method is on Facebook search. Just copy and paste the keyword, then click on search, then go to videos, choose a date this month, March 2020. Then you can see we have all of the product pulled up which advertisers are actively driving traffic to. So if you follow the criteria which I've outlined to find winning products, you can't go wrong with this method. To find winning product using AliExpress, what you need to do is to sign into AliExpress. If you do not already have an AliExpress account, it's free to sign up on the back end, which is My AliExpress. You will find information if you want to join the dropship center. Follow the instructions, it's straightforward. I'm on my AliExpress backend. To find winning product, I'll just click on the dropship center. The dropship center, find product to sell, product analysis, but our main concern here is find product to sell. So AliExpress have already curated a long list of products that are proven to sell very well. You can see the number of orders, you can see their ratings, sales performance, etc. That's a quick overview on how to use AliExpress Dropship Center. The next step is to take that product to the market to sell it. At this point, you have to find an Instagram influencer to collaborate with that will help you to promote your product to his or her audience. You can use one of these two strategies for a better outcome. Depending on what you want to sell, You can actually spend some money to order the product to give to the influencer for them to promote the product for you for free. Or you can keep it lean to look for an influencer who will collaborate with you for a revenue share. But this has so much to do with your communication strategy. So to find an influencer, you need to use relevant hashtags. If you are trying to sell a dog product, you could use hashtag bulldog or hashtag German Shepherd. Follow them, like their posts, then reach out to them on DM. Present yourself as wanting to add value to them. Genuinely connect from a position of power for the value you want to bring to them. It's as simple as saying, hey, my name is Rolland. I saw you here on Instagram. I like your profile. Here's the idea I have for us. Just state what it is. Here's what is a name for you, and this is how you can get a hold of me. The best time to send a DM is shortly after the post up content. Don't copy and paste DM to everyone you are reaching out to. Just try to make a little bit modification on each post. When you get an agreement, this is when you now sign up for Shopify 14 days free trial to build your store. There are lots of affiliate marketing apps in the Shopify App Store that you can install on your shop to manage the revenue share between you and the influencers easily. Let me share my screen with you. Log into Shopify App Store through your Shopify Store backend. Search for affiliate marketing. So off the bat, you can see that there are lots of affiliate marketing apps on the Shopify App Store. You can use any of these apps. They are good enough. They all have 14 days free trial before the subscription will kick in, so that the influencer can be able to track sales from their shout outs. Most of these apps, like I said, all have 14 days free trial. So it means that you'll be able to make a lot of sales to cover the subscriptions on a monthly basis, including your Shopify subscription. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to leave them in the comment section below, and I will personally answer them for you. If you like this video, remember to subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notified each time I post up a new video. I have a free PDF download that will help you find winning products titled The Ultimate Winning Product Blueprint. This is a roadmap for you to find winning product for your business so that you can build a scalable e-commerce business. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video, and keep watching.